January 2023. Elon Musk wakes up and decides to cut Tesla's prices by 20%. Overnight, every car company in the world panics. Ford loses billions, Mercedes scrambles, and Tata Motors quietly starts watching over its shoulder. This is not a story about discounts. This is a story about how one man rewrote the rules of the most competitive industry on Earth. Welcome back. Today we are breaking down the Tesla price war, one of the most aggressive, controversial, and calculated business moves of the last decade. Whether you invest in EV stocks, follow Tata or Ola Electric in India, or simply want to understand how modern market warfare works, this video is for you. In January 2023, Tesla reduced prices across all its models in the US, Europe, China, and other markets by anywhere between 10% and 25%. The Model 3, Tesla's most popular car, dropped by nearly $8,000 in the US alone. This was not a sale. This was a permanent structural price reset. To understand 2023, we go back. In 2021 and 2022, Tesla was actually raising prices because supply chains were broken, chips were scarce, and demand was exceeding supply. Tesla had pricing power most companies dream of. Then the market shifted, and Musk pulled the trigger in the opposite direction, hard. Tesla stock rose over 1,000% between 2019 and 2021. It became the most valuable car company in the world, worth more than Toyota, Volkswagen, Ford, and GM combined. This wasn't because Tesla sold the most cars. It was because the market believed Tesla was the future. That belief would soon be tested. By Q3 and Q4 of 2022, something changed. Tesla's delivery growth started to plateau. Inventory started building up. Cars sitting in lots unsold. Interest rates were rising globally. Consumers, who once waited months for a Tesla, were now hesitating. Tesla had a demand problem, and demand problems, if left unchecked, become existential problems. Simultaneously, serious competition arrived. China's BYD exploded, offering comparable EVs at significantly lower price points. Hyundai's Ioniq 5 won global awards. Ford launched the Mustang Mach-E, directly targeting Tesla buyers. For the first time, Tesla customers had real alternatives. The moat was being challenged. Musk's response was counterintuitive. Instead of doubling down on premium positioning, which is what BMW or Mercedes would do, he cut prices aggressively and publicly. The Model Y in the US dropped below $50,000 for the first time, making it eligible for the US federal EV tax credit. This was a precise, calculated move, not panic. Tesla made a fundamental strategic choice: prioritize volume and market share over short-term profit margins. The logic? Tesla's manufacturing cost per vehicle was falling rapidly thanks to its Gigafactories and production innovation. Lower prices would increase volume. Higher volume would reduce per unit cost further. This is called the asterisk experience curve asterisk, and Tesla was betting on it aggressively. Tesla's Gigafactories in Texas, Berlin, Shanghai, and Nevada gave it a structural cost advantage. As production scale increased, Tesla's cost per vehicle fell. By 2023, Tesla's estimated manufacturing cost for a Model 3 was around $36,000, meaning even at reduced sale prices, Tesla was still making money per car. Its competitors simply could not match this math. But the price cuts had real pain attached. Tesla's gross margin, a key indicator of how much profit it retains per rupee of revenue, fell from a peak of nearly 33% down to under 18% within 18 months. Wall Street was alarmed. Analysts downgraded the stock. TSLA fell over 60% from its all-time high. The question became, was Musk destroying Tesla's profitability or building something bigger? Tesla's price cuts forced an impossible choice on legacy automakers. Ford, which had already invested billions into its EV division, now had to either match Tesla's prices and bleed money, or stay premium and lose customers. Ford chose to cut prices on the Mach-E. The result? Ford's EV division lost over $4.5 billion in 2023 alone. Ford was fighting Tesla's war on Tesla's terms. That is a losing battle. In China, Tesla's second-largest market, the battle with BYD was even more intense. BYD overtook Tesla in quarterly EV sales in late 2023. Tesla responded with further China-specific price cuts. This is where geopolitics meets business strategy. Tesla was fighting for survival in China while simultaneously dealing with US-China trade tensions. The price war had a second front. Here is what most people miss about Tesla's price war logic. Tesla is not just a car company. Its real margin engine is software. Specifically, its full self-driving subscription at $199 per month, and its energy business, Powerwall, Megapack, and the Supercharger network. Lower car prices bring more customers into this ecosystem. Once a customer is in the Tesla ecosystem, the lifetime value is dramatically higher than just the vehicle sale. Tesla's Supercharger network is one of the most underappreciated moats in business. With over 50,000 charging stations globally, Tesla's infrastructure advantage is enormous. Every new Tesla sold deepens the value of this network. Price cuts accelerate fleet growth. More fleet means more supercharger usage, more FSD subscriptions, more data for AI training. It is a flywheel, and lower prices accelerate it. Markets initially punished Tesla hard. TSLA fell from a high of $400 to under $120. Retail investors panicked, but institutional investors who understood Tesla's cost curve and ecosystem play began accumulating. By mid-2023, TSLA recovered significantly. The lesson for investors: short-term margin compression is not always a death signal. Sometimes it is a strategic investment in future dominance. Now let us bring this home, literally. Tesla has officially entered India in 2025. When Tesla enters with its global pricing strategy, even at Indian import duties, it will fundamentally reshape what Indian consumers expect from EVs. Tata Motors, which commands nearly 70% of India's EV market, will face its most serious challenger yet. The Tesla price war has an Indian chapter still being written. Tata's EV success has been built on price accessibility and government incentives. The Nexon EV at under 15 lakh rupees is a different category from Tesla. But as Tesla localizes manufacturing, if it does, and as battery costs fall globally, the price gap will narrow. Indian EV investors need to watch this carefully. The Tesla price war playbook may play out in India within the next 3 to 5 years. Tesla's price cuts triggered a global EV price collapse. The average price of an EV globally has fallen by nearly 20% between 2022 and 2024. This is ultimately good for consumers and for EV adoption. But it is devastating for companies that entered the EV space with high-cost structures and premium-only strategies. Several EV startups, Rivian, Lucid, Fisker, have struggled or collapsed under this new price reality. Fisker is perhaps the most direct casualty. Launched as a premium EV startup, Fisker could not match Tesla's pricing when Tesla cut. Fisker filed for bankruptcy in 2024. It is a brutal reminder. In a price war started by the most cost-efficient player in the industry, everyone else bleeds. Tesla did not just compete. It chose the battlefield. What Musk executed was textbook, penetration pricing, but at industrial scale. The goal was never to be a luxury niche player forever. The goal, stated openly since Tesla's founding, was to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, which requires mass market, not exclusivity. Price cuts were not a retreat from the strategy. They were the strategy becoming reality. Not everyone agrees this was genius. Critics argue Tesla's margin destruction is permanent, that BYD's cost advantage in China is insurmountable, and that without meaningful FSD progress, the software revenue thesis is speculative. TSLA remains one of the most debated stocks globally, with valuation models ranging from $100 to $400 per share, depending on which assumptions you use. This is not a simple story. One factor turbocharged Tesla's price war: government policy. The U.S. Inflation Reduction Act provides up to $7,500 in EV tax credits, but only for cars priced below $55,000. Tesla's price cuts strategically positioned multiple models just below this threshold. Policy alignment is not luck. It is sophisticated lobbying and product strategy working together. For investors evaluating Tesla, watch gross margin recovery as the leading indicator. If Tesla's margins stabilize above 20% while volume continues growing, the price war thesis is validated. If margins continue falling below 15%, the bear case strengthens. Free cash flow. Tesla generated $4.4 billion in FCF in 2023 despite margin pressure, remains the strongest signal of fundamental health. While everyone debated car margins, Tesla's energy generation and storage business quietly became massive. In Q2 2024, Tesla deployed 9.4 gigawatt-hours of energy storage, a record. Energy revenue grew over 100% year-on-year. The Megapack, Tesla's utility-scale battery, has a massive order backlog. This business alone could reframe how Tesla is valued within 5 years. The ultimate bet behind all of Tesla's pricing strategy is full self-driving. If Tesla achieves Level 4 or Level 5 autonomy at scale, enabling a robotaxi fleet, the economics transform entirely. A single Tesla robotaxi could generate revenue 24 hours a day. At that point, the margin from car sales becomes almost irrelevant. Tesla is pricing today for a world it believes is coming tomorrow. 3 lessons every business student must take from this case. 1. Cost leadership enables price wars. You cannot start a price war, you cannot win. 2. Ecosystem businesses have different margin logic than product businesses. Evaluate them accordingly. 3. Short-term pain for long-term market position is a legitimate strategy, but only if the underlying cost structure supports it. For investors, 1. Margin compression is not always a red flag. Understand why margins are falling. 2. Watch volume growth and cost per unit as lead indicators in EV companies. 3. In India, track Tata Motors' EV margin trajectory. It will face similar pressures as competition intensifies. 4. Global EV price trends directly impact Indian EV stocks. This is not a local story. So, did the price war work? On deliveries, yes. Tesla hit a record 1.81 million vehicles delivered in 2023, up 38% from 2022. On market share, broadly yes, though BYD is a genuine rival. On profitability, mixed. Margins fell, but free cash flow remained strong. On stock price, volatile, but Tesla retained its position as the world's most valuable automaker. The jury is still deliberating, but the accused is still standing. Looking ahead, Tesla's next-generation affordable vehicle, targeting a sub-$30,000 price point globally, is the next chapter of this story. Robotaxi pilot programs are active. India entry is now real. Energy storage is scaling. If even 2 of these bets land, Tesla's current valuation may look cheap in hindsight. If none do, the bears win. That tension is what makes TSLA the most interesting stock in the world right now. For Indian investors, the Tesla price war is a masterclass in how global EV dynamics trickle into Indian portfolios. Watch Tata Motors' EV margin disclosures every quarter. Watch Ola Electric's path to profitability. Watch how battery import costs evolve as global EV prices fall. The Tesla story is not happening to India. It is happening with India, and the next 5 years will prove it. Quick glossary for new viewers. Gross margin, profit retained per unit of revenue after production cost. Experience curve, cost reduction achieved through cumulative production scale. Penetration pricing, deliberately low pricing to capture market share. FCF, free cash flow, cash generated after capital expenditure. FSD, full self-driving, Tesla's advanced driver assistance software. Moat, a sustainable competitive advantage that protects long-term profitability. Here is the final thought. Elon Musk did not start a price war because Tesla was desperate. He started it because Tesla was ready and his competitors were not. The best competitive moves in business are not responses to crisis. They are attacks launched from a position of structural strength, timed to cause maximum disruption. Tesla's price war is not just an automotive story. It is a masterclass in how to build, scale, and weaponize a cost advantage. And it is a story that is far from over. If this video helped you think differently about EVs, competitive strategy, or how to read a company's margin story, smash the like button and subscribe. Drop in the comments, do you think Tesla will dominate India's EV market, or will Tata Motors hold its ground? That debate starts below. See you in the next one.